Hi, I'm Jomo Pereira, part of the technical support team here at LC Automation. Following our Northwest manufacturing event, we still have the Mitsubishi Robots in our demo area. So I thought it would be useful to give you a quick tour. First, we have the Mitsubishi Assister Cobot, or collaborative robot. It's designed to work next to your human operatives without guarding or any additional safety equipment. So as you can see, it has the rounded edges without any pinch points, so it's hard to get your limbs trapped in there. For safety reasons, it has collision detection so that the Cobot will stop immediately after it comes into contact with a human or any other obstacle, but it's that easy to restart simply by pressing the button. The speed is also limited, so it won't move as quickly as the standard industrial robots by Mitsubishi, and it does have a smaller payload. It's very easy to program using the drag and drop software on the laptop or using the teach function on the user interface for the positions. We have this the front user interface here, which has 6 buttons. We can start programs here, we can reset errors, open and close the hand, and teach it positions. So to start the direct teaching mode, we would just simply hold the direct teaching button here. The LED strip changes colour, starts flashing to show that it's in the direct teaching mode, and we are now able to manoeuvre the robot into whichever positions we need, and then we can teach the positions freely, and they'll now be saved in the software. So Mitsubishi has partnered with a number of other suppliers to make it much easier to integrate third-party tool heads onto your Cobots and customize it for all the specific requirements or applications. You can also save up to 16 different tool profiles to make it easier to swap the tool heads throughout the programs for your different tasks, making the most of your Cobot investment and maximizing uptime. If you haven't seen a Cobot before, it can be a real game changer for the right type of application where space is limited or operatives need to work very closely with the robot. So next we have the Mitsubishi Scara robot. This one is a 4-axis version, which is a very cost-effective option compared to the higher spec vertical arm robots, and it's ideal for any tabletop application like this. It's suitable for loads of different applications, so if you have any repetitive pick and place application or need to lay a glue path as part of your production process, a Mitsubishi Scara robot can reduce errors, improve accuracy and increase your productivity compared to a human operative. As you can see, this one is protected by a 6 safety light curtain rather than a physical barrier, so it's easy for your operators to load and unload items during production. When they break the light beam, the robot will come to a stop immediately, and to keep them safe, and when we remove our hands, the process starts automatically to maximize your productivity. It's the best of both worlds, really. So finally, we have the Mitsubishi vertical arm robot. This is the highest spec robot we have in our demonstration area, with the highest speed and the largest payloads capabilities. Obviously, wherever you install a large robot, you will need to integrate it with some form of safety equipment, whether that's physical barriers or a more flexible alternative like this SICK laser scanner that we're using here. Where it's suitable, a SICK laser scanner can give a lot of advantages and make it easier for operatives to safely access the robot during production for loading and unloading. Here we've set up the laser scanner with 2 protective fields. As you can see, the robot has stopped because I'm in the stop area or stop zone, as shown by the red LED on the scanner. As I move further away from the robot and enter the warning zone, the LED changes to amber, and it'll be safe for the operation to begin slowly. As I exit out the warning zone, the LED will turn to green, and it's safe for the robot to resume production at full speed. As I move back into the warning or stop zone, the robot will slow and stop, making sure your operatives remain safe at all times. It's an excellent safety solution for this type of application. If you're looking to automate part of your production process and would like to discuss which robot is the best solution for you, give us a call at LC Automation on 01254 685 900 and we'll be happy to discuss your application along with our supply partners at Mitsubishi Electric.